Hi, everyone. Have you ever wondered what helps your car drive smoothly or climb steep hills? Today, we're talking about the gearbox. Stay with us to learn what it is, why it's important, and what is the difference between automatic and manual gearboxes. Let's get started. So, what is a gearbox? Simply put, it's a system that transfers power from the engine to the wheels. It adjusts the engine's power to give the right speed and strength for different driving conditions. Think of it like this. The engine is your car's heart, creating energy. The gearbox is like a translator, making sure that energy is used in the best way, whether you're cruising on a highway or driving uphill. Why do we need a gearbox? Your engine can only work within a certain speed range, but your car needs to handle different situations. The gearbox makes this possible. It changes gears to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently while protecting the engine. Now let's talk about the two main types of gearboxes, manual and automatic. Here's a quick explanation. Manual gearbox. You shift gears using a gear stick and clutch pedal. It gives you more control and is popular with drivers who enjoy being more involved. Automatic gearbox. The car changes gears for you. It's easy to use and great for city driving or heavy traffic. Which one is better? It depends on what you like, more control or more convenience. If you're not sure, don't worry. We'll talk more about this in future videos. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.